In a world of bloated AI frameworks, nanobot is the lean, mean, cyberpunk machine we've been waiting for. Developed by HKUDS, this framework challenges the status quo of 400,000-line monsters. It's built for developers who want to understand every single line of their agent's brain. Today, we're diving into how 4,000 lines can outperform the giants.
The numbers tell a story of rapid adoption. Since its release in February 2026, nanobot has exploded to 34,000 GitHub stars. It implements 90% of the core capabilities found in OpenClaw, but does so with 99% less code. This isn't just a toy, it's a high-performance engine for the modern AI stack. Most modern frameworks, like LangGraph or Crew AI, impose a steep learning cliff. You spend more time debugging the framework's abstractions than building your actual logic. Nanobot takes the opposite bet, offering a flat architecture where the agent loop is something you can step through in a debugger in under 10 minutes. Nanobot operates as a long-running process that listens on multiple messaging channels. It routes incoming messages through a message bus to the agent loop, which then interacts with LLMs and tools via MCP. It's clean, it's modular, and it doesn't hide anything behind complex orchestration layers. Setup is handled through a simple YAML file. You define your LLM provider, like Anthropic's Claude, and your communication channels, like Telegram, in one place. No complex environment variables or Docker containers required to get your first bot live. This minimalism is exactly what makes nanobot so powerful for rapid prototyping. The architecture is defined by a clear, linear flow. Messages hit the adapter, pass through the bus, and enter the agent loop. Inside, the LLM call happens alongside tool execution and memory management. This logic is contained in a single standalone module, making it incredibly easy to customize the core behavior. Getting started is a breeze. You can install via PyPy or use UV for lightning-fast setup. Once installed, simply point the nanobot command at your config file. It starts listening immediately, bridging the gap between your local environment and global messaging platforms in seconds. Let's talk about the Dream Memory System. It's a two-tier approach. Session history keeps track of the immediate conversation in JSON format. The Dream layer acts as long-term consolidation, ensuring the agent retains context across different sessions. This makes your AI feel more personal and persistent. Nanobot is a polyglot when it comes to platforms. It ships with adapters for Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, and Slack. On the back end, you can swap between 11 providers, including Google Gemini, OpenAI, and even self-hosted models via VLLM. This flexibility allows you to route specific channels to specific models based on cost or capability. The philosophy here is readability over complexity. By keeping the codebase under 4,000 lines, the HKUDS team ensures that any developer can audit the security and logic of their agent. In an era of black box AI, having a transparent, open-source framework is a significant competitive advantage for developers. Nanobot is the perfect middle ground between minimal scripts and massive enterprise frameworks. It provides the connectivity of a large system with the simplicity of a single module. If you're tired of the abstraction tax and want to get back to building, Nanobot is the framework you've been looking for. Ready to take control of your AI agents? Head over to GitHub and star the Nanobot repository. You can find the full installation guide, configuration examples, and deep dive tutorials on our website. Start building your own custom agent today at Effloow.com.